Sampo published its fourth quarter result this morning. Looking at the headlines at the group level profit, it actually fell quite a bit short of market expectations. However, that was due to the technical accounting stuff in how Sampo books profits from top-down mark and the fair value change in one of their private equity holdings, Nordax. If you exclude these, then the so-called operating profit is actually fairly well in line with the expectations. If you quickly go through the segments, if you look at the crown jewel of Sampo, if had a really good quarter, the growth was actually better than we had anticipated. The underwriting result was once again fantastic. So all good in that front. It's good to remember that if is the main value driver for Sampo. Then obviously we already knew top-down marks result. Hastings is still suffering for the very difficult market in the UK, but Hastings is good to remember that's a small part of Sampo. Mandatum's result was kind of a soft, you could say, but it mainly deviated from the investment income, so not anything drastic there. The payout decisions were broadly in line what we were expecting. Sampo increases its insurance dividends. It will pay out 80 cents per share extraordinary dividend, and they will launch a new 400 million buyback program. After these, Sampo still has roughly 2 euros per share excess capital, which they will deploy once. It's tied in a PE investments, and they will obviously pay it to the shareholders when the money flows out of the PE investments. Then finally about the Mandatum, obviously the Sampo promised to give more info what they will do with Mandatum. Will they divest it, or will they list it to the Helsinki Stock Exchange? Well, they postponed the information. They said that they will give more info at the end of Q1. I still believe the listing, or actually listing is the most likely way to go from here. But if you look at how Sampo communicated this, the chance that Mandatum, somebody would buy Mandatum, at least in my head, it increases. The probability for that increases a bit, but still the listing is still my money is on the listing still here in that sense. But the other options are clearly open still if you read between the lines on the report. But overall, the overall headline, it gives a wrong impression how the quarter went. Actually, operationally, the quarter went well. So not anything drastic there. So good result in that sense.